Welcome to Secure Cloud Storage Made Easy with Veeam Vault. Never has it been more essential to protect your data in an off-site location, providing a critical layer of resilience against disruption from cyber threats, outage, data loss, and more. It's why we have the 3-2-1-1-0 rule. 3 copies of your data, 2 different types of media, 1 off-site, 1 offline or immutable, and 0 errors when testing. Veeam Vault makes achieving this necessity incredibly simple. Pre-configured, pre-secured, and fully managed by us, your teams needn't get bogged down in the design, implementation, management, and monitoring of cloud storage. With literally a few clicks, you can go from 0 to Resilience Hero, targeting your backups to dozens of cloud storage options globally. But that's just the first step. Veeam Vault aligns to Zero Trust architectures and principles to ensure the utmost security of your data. First, Veeam Vault is always air-gapped, ensuring the logical separation of backup software and backup storage. Next, your data is always immutable, so any bad actors seeking to encrypt, modify, or delete your data to halt successful recovery efforts are stopped in their tracks. And finally, your data is always encrypted, ensuring protection in flight and at rest, and hindering exfiltration attempts. Veeam Vault is also built on the highest performance object storage, so you can have confidence that backups will complete within their windows, restores are lightning fast, and your SLOs are met. You can even recover directly to cloud compute in the same infrastructure, giving you the fastest recovery options even in a DR scenario without the complexity and expense of a hot site. Better yet, we're eliminating the headaches of complex and unpredictable cloud storage cost models. Everything is rolled into a single, simple price that's inclusive of storage, API calls, data retrieval, and egress costs, putting bill shock and overspend in the rearview mirror. So what are you waiting for? Whether you're backing up offsite today or it's been one of those items on the to-do list for too long, Veeam Vault is the solution for any Veeam user looking to up their resilience game.